Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm at the Las Vegas SEMA show, and I'm at the ERG booth. And what do we have today? Well, we got the Ford Ranger. And what did they do to it? Well, come on over here. Let's take a good look what we got on here. Now, as you know, we do the ERG RollTrac covers. We've done a few in the store already. We got a few videos here. I haven't done one on the Ranger, so it's nice to be able to see one on the Ranger here. Now, as you can see, it does have a T-slot here. And as you know, I love the T-slots. Why? Well, with a T-slot, you can add racks. You can put overlanding equipment on here if you're using it for work. You can put all kinds of stuff on here. You want to put your kayak on there. You want to put on the racks for that. Once you get the T-slot, basically the rest of the world is opened up for you. Now, the ERG RollTrac has something that a lot of covers do not have. It actually has the button on the outside here. So you have one on each side. So if you're in the driver's side or passenger side, you can open it up. Now, why is it good to have on both sides? Well, let's say you're on the highway and you have to open your cover. You might not want to open it. You might not want to stand on the side with the traffic. So come over to the passenger side. It's a lot easier. Now, if you look here, it does have a 4 system for drainage. You get 2 in the front, 2 in the back here, and they're good size. So you don't have to worry about them getting clogged up with leaves or anything like that. Any debris they keep in them, because they're so big, things are going to go through it. Also, if you can take a real good look here, it does have a nice LED light here as well, and it has a very small canister. Now, if you look at the things in the front there, you can see there's some openings in the canister if you need to get in there to clean. And that's a really nice thing to have, because that's, I don't know how many times leaves and stuff get in there and you have to take it apart to get to it. This thing is designed for that, so it's a lot easier. And again, with the smaller canister, especially when you have a small truck like this Ford Ranger here, you don't want to give up bed space. This, having a smaller canister, you get maximum bed space in here, and it's more convenient when you're going to put plywood or you're just putting luggage for a trip. Now let's go ahead and close it up again, and let's see how. One thing, it's hard to tell, but I'll put the microphone next to it. It's not that loud. It is a very quiet setup, and I do like that a lot. Now, I have installed these before, and I'll tell you this, be honestly, it's not the easiest install as covers go. But the good news is, if you come to my store, we can install this for you. We're very good at it, and it's a high quality product. Again, you know, EGR has been around a long time. They're a great company, and I tell you, they make a very nice product. And I like the matte finish because it does match all the trim on this truck here. And I tell you, you can stop in midway if you look what I'm doing here. So you stop anywhere you want. So all in all, a great product. You can't go wrong. Again, if you like this, I'll go ahead and put a link on the bottom of this YouTube video. Or you can call the store. We can talk to you, go over all the features with you. Or better yet, come to the store. Walk in there and talk to our staff. They're not on commission. They're just there to help you with the stuff. And they can go over all the pros and cons of anything you're looking for. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm at the SEMA booth in Las Vegas. And I'm at EGR here, and this is a EGR RollTrac on a Ford Ranger. And before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.